Here is a 10 by 20 portable garage covered with Harbor Freight tarps. The main tarp right here is a 20 by 30 and it fits pretty perfect. Yeah, really fits that 20 length well. And then there's more than enough room on the 30 side to get up and over. And then with the excess, I just rolled it up and then put it between two pressure treated 2x4s, screwed straight through the tarp. So I put some clamping pressure on the rolled up bit of tarp, and then got some 12-inch spikes and spiked the 2x4s, the 2x4 sandwich into the ground. And this is two 2x4x10s just right next to each other. There's the back panel, which I did the same thing on the bottom, and I believe this is a 15 by 12 or something like that tarp. And the 20 by 30 is Harbor Freight's extreme duty tarp. So you'll see the outside is black and the inside is silver, which is great because the issue with these portable garages is the tarps tear. So having some extra strength on the outside will hopefully prevent that for at least a little while longer. Here is the backside exterior. You'll see I got these ratchet straps going into some pet stakes. These are the screw-in type. Got those at Harbor Freight too. Ratchet straps also from Harbor Freight. I'll probably spray those with some oil just to keep them rust free. And what this is doing is keeping the main tarp steady. So pulled back here, I couldn't use these bungees up top on the main tarp, the black tarp, because I had to go over the top with the silver tarp. So I went through the grommets instead with some rope so that these metal hooks wouldn't be damaging the tarp at all. And these aren't too tight. Really, they're just making sure that the top tarp doesn't move too much. And let's see how I got that. With the tarp centered decently, it came out nice in terms of the grommet spacing. And for the front, I got a 2x6 by, must be 12 foot, because this is 10.5 from pole to pole. So that's a 2x6 by 12. I just bolted through right there to the other side. And then, so now I have this header. And what I did was got some galvanized pipe with some flanges and some elbows to run the span. And I have some 5.5 by 7 foot tarps that I'm going to hang like a shower curtain, 2 of them, across the front. And then I also have another tarp that I'm going to make some custom grommets in to fit that upper triangle. So when you walk in, you'll be able to slide the tarps to either side and then have access. I might just leave it open for the summer and close it up in the winter. That's about it. Also, these ropes here, you can use a ratchet strap, but that is great for the snow. It prevents it from caving in. And then also there's some wires run for extra stability. But if you live in the north, really recommend that rope or ratchet strap between the poles. That will prevent the snow from caving it in. And then also on this side, some nasty tree roots that I didn't want to cut. So I had to cut the 2x4s into sections and then stake each section. Kind of ugly, but didn't have to be perfect, so just got it done. Yeah, well, that's it. No need to buy a fancy kit that's made just for your structure. You can get better tarp material at Harbor Freight for less. I think I paid like $70 with 20% off on the 20 by 30, and then all the other tarps were under $30. I probably spent about $125 to $150 on tarps, and then, you know, some more money for the boards down below, and the header and the pipe. So I'm probably into this project for about $250. But hopefully this lasts a lot longer than the original cover did. All right. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and good luck.